Hey people, welcome back to the channel. So आज का टॉपिक इज शॉर्ट नोट ऑन थायराइड ग्लैंड एंड इसके जो भी notes होंगे that will be available in the description box below. So the thyroid gland is an endocrine gland situated in the lower part of the neck. It extends from C5 till T1. It extends from C5 to T1 and it consists of the right and the left lobe which are connected to each other by the isthmus. So this is the isthmus. It is the isthmus, and sometimes the third lobe may project from the isthmus upwards like this, which is known as the pyramidal lobe. So this is the pyramidal lobe, and the gland secretes hormones T3, T4 and calcitonin. Total 3 hormones are secreted by the thyroid gland, and they regulate the basal metabolic rate, they stimulate the somatic and psychic growth, and it plays an important role in calcium metabolism. This gland weighs about 25 grams, where it is larger in females than males and further increases during pregnancy and menstruation. Coming on to the capsules of thyroid gland, it consists of an inner true capsule and an outer false capsule. So the true capsule is the peripheral condensation of the fibrous stroma of the gland, and false capsule is derived from the pretracheal fascia and is thin on the posterior surface of the lobes and thick on the medial surface. So this dotted line depicts the thin false segment. So this here in yellow is our thyroid lobe, and thyroid lobe से हमारी veins आती हैं, and this is the outer false capsule, this is the inner true capsule, and जो अंदर blue जिससे veins आ रही हैं, these are the venous plexus, and false capsule or true capsule के बीच में we have a space known as the intercapsular space, and please note that the weak false capsule is on the posterior aspect. So this is the anterior and this is the posterior aspect of the thyroid gland. Coming on to the relations, each lobe of thyroid gland is conical in shape and has apex, base and 3 surfaces. So this is the apex, the base, and it has 3 surfaces and 2 borders. 3 surfaces के अंदर we have the medial surface, the posterolateral surface and the lateral surface. The lateral surface, the medial surface and the posterolateral surface. Lateral surface is also known as the superficial surface. The apex is directed upwards. Apex ऊपर की तरफ होगा. The apex is directed upwards, and the base lies on the 4th or the 5th tracheal ring. इधर ट्रेकिया है तो 4th और 5th tracheal ring पर base आएगा. Then we have the lateral surface. The lateral surface or the superficial surface, ये आगे वाला surface को हम lateral surface कहते हैं. It is convex and is covered by the strap muscles. Strap muscles आप सबको पता होगा, जो ऊपर muscles आती हैं. Strap muscles कौन सी होती है? Sternothyroid, sternohyoid, and we have the superior belly of omohyoid. Superior belly of omohyoid. And ऊपर हमारा यहाँ पर ऐसे sternocleidomastoid muscle भी cover कर रही है दोनों साइड पे, right? Then we have the medial surface. Medial surface trachea की तरफ होगा. The medial surface is related to the trachea and esophagus. So this is the trachea and esophagus भी इसके अंदर होगा, and inferior constrictor and cricothyroid muscle, क्योंकि inferior constrictor किसकी muscle है? Pharynx की muscle है, and the cricothyroid muscle, cricoid and thyroid cartilage, and nerves external and recurrent laryngeal nerves. Nerves की relations भी आती हैं यहाँ, तो यहाँ पर कौन सी nerve आ जाएगी? Recurrent laryngeal recurrent laryngeal and external laryngeal. Right, the posterolateral surface is related to the carotid sheath and its content. So this is the posterolateral surface, this whole is the posterolateral surface. इधर क्या होगी, carotid sheath. This is related to carotid sheath. The anterior border is thin and related to anterior branch of superior thyroid artery. So anterior border is this is anterior border, it is thin and यहाँ पर हमारी कौन सी आर्टरी है, superior thyroid artery. The posterior border is thick, ये हमारा posterior border है, this is thick and it separates the medial and posterior surfaces and is related to the inferior thyroid artery. This is related to inferior thyroid artery. यहाँ पर थोड़े arterial anastomosis भी होते हैं. The anterior surface of isthmus is related to strap muscles. Anterior surface isthmus का, isthmus हमारा ये चीज़ है, this is isthmus, so this is also related to the strap muscles. And anterior jugular vein, इधर क्या आ जाएगी हमारी anterior jugular vein. The posterolateral surface is related to the second, third and fourth tracheal rings. Second, third, fourth tracheal rings. Fine.